This coconut cookies is one of the cookies you will fall in love with after watching this video. Hello lovers of good food. Let me show you how I achieve these coconut cookies with just 4 main ingredients. I start by adding my sugar in a blender. To that I go in with coconut flakes, my vegetable oil, butter, sugar and condensed milk. Cover and blend into smoothie. Transfer the smoothie into a very clean bowl and go in with your all-purpose flour, salt, milk powder, then mix to combine very well. You're going to be gentle in mixing because we are not going to knead this particular dough. Just mix it gently until everything comes together. Thank you for watching today's video. Please, if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and turn your notification bell. Like and share this video to your loved one. They are going to love it, I bet you. So after mixing to achieve this particular texture, grab your nylon film and cover it very well. Make sure there is no entrance of air inside it. Cover and place it inside the fridge to rest for 40 minutes. Please remember to check the description box. I will list every other ingredients I used in this recipe. To another clean bowl, I'm going to go in with my flour, salt and chocolate powder. I will mix with my finger to combine. Then I will go in with a little bit of water and mix until I form a very palatable dough. Remember, you are not kneading the dough, just mix the dough gently because we are not kneading it. So once you achieve to this particular texture, I'll still cover it the same process I used in the first dough. Cover and place inside fridge to rest for 30 minutes. Now I have my two dough here after 30 minutes or 40 minutes of resting in the fridge. I will start with the first one. I'm going to unwrap it. After unwrapping it, I'm going to cut it into smaller sizes. Once that is done, I'm going to mold all this cutted out dough into a very nice ball. Mold it very smoothly and arrange on your clean plate. Please do not forget to tell us where you're watching this video from. We'd love to give you a shout out in our next video. So once I'm done with the first dough, I'll repeat the same process to the chocolate dough. Cut into size. This particular time, I'm going to cut it to the numbers of the first dough I have. Once I'm done cutting, I'm going to mold them just like I did on the first dough. Finally, I have the two dough molded into balls. Now, this is where the secret lies. Get one of the first dough, open it with your finger, index finger, press a very nice hole inside it, then get the chocolate dough, roll it on your workspace to get a very small oval shape, then place it inside the opened dough, the first dough you opened. Use your hand to press it and cover it very well. Once you are done covering, use your two palms to roll it a little bit. Do not be too harsh on the dough. Roll it a little bit, then place it on your work surface. Use your hand, press it down a little bit. Make sure you adjust the two sides. Then grab your pizza cutter or your kitchen knife to create this design on top of it. Finally, you have your dough. I'm going to repeat it for the second time. Get your first dough. Use your index finger to create a very nice hole on the dough. Then get the second dough, roll it on your work surface to get a very oval shape. Then place it inside the first dough. Use your fingers to cover it very well. After covering, mold it a little bit with your two palms. Do not be too harsh. Then place it on the work surface and use your palm to press it down a little bit. Make sure you adjust the two sides to make it look like a fish shape, just like as I'm doing on this video. Take your time to do that. Once you're done, grab your pizza cutter or your kitchen knife and create the design on top of the dough. And that is all. Arrange them on a baking tray and allow them to rest for 10 minutes. Then transfer them inside oven and bake for 30 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or bake until it's brown and crunchy. Now you have your coconut cookies made at the comfort of your home. Very delicious and very tasty. Now tell me, will you be trying this recipe in your home? And what do you think about these cookies? Try it and tell us and give us a feedback. Do not forget to like and share. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. You can actually enjoy these cookies with your tea, your milk, your soft drink, or your homemade juice. Thank you all for watching. And do not forget to like and share. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And I will see you all again in my next video. Bye.